Pancake experiment number 1.
Okay, let's try and make it out on that.
I actually don't want to stand in there just in case it explodes.
That's going to be a really thick pancake.
I'll be fine. Throw it in.
Okay. So, you're going to miss it! Okay.
How long you put it on for?
A minute and a half.
Didn't it say a minute?
I did, but I want it to be cooked.
Is it starting to bubble?
Probably.
It's when it bubbles. Suddenly the screen just goes.
You're just going to be jealous.
Legs on first one.
Oh, come on. Do something exciting.
What, the microwave?
Yeah. Oh, you dance.
Dance
Yeah, yeah.
Pancake can dance for you. Pancake. Come on, pancake. I just smell tomato soup.
You just throw an egg in there as well, just to see what happens.
No. If you want to.
Seal
then
bottle
you
of
can-
milk in.
It's doing something.
Yeah, it's doing so much.
Whether it's what we want it to do.
I can't see ripples in it. It looks like it's got a shark in there.
Hang on. Oh. Longer.
It's not fun.
No.
I think she's actually made a pancake.
That's amazing.
Okay, don't overdo it.
Pancake. Maybe flip it. Should we flip
What
it?
does it taste like? That's the thing.
Oh
That is a
my god.
Pancake.
Ta-da!